Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandon, and today, if I look similar to my previous video, that is because I literally just came back from my previous video straight into this video. But anyways, as if I did not say it enough, let's get straight into this video. Anyways, in today's video, we're going to be discussing the intentions of the Rosary. I've seen people touch upon this topic on YouTube, but I feel like there's not enough. So therefore, I wanted to share it myself with you guys for yourselves to also share to the world. And I feel like it's such an important topic, is the intentions of the Rosary. Now, there are 15 promises for those who pray the Rosary from Mary, the Mother of God. If you're unfamiliar with those, check out my previous video. I'll leave it on the screen at the end of the video, so make sure you guys watch till end. Also, I'll leave a link in the description to it. But the 11th promise from Mary to those who pray the Rosary is this: you shall obtain all you ask of me by the recitation of the Rosary. And this is so true to when we pray to Mary. We can ask her to pray for any intention of ours, whether it's for us, for someone, or something. We can ask Mary to pray for anything for us. And it's the same with the Rosary. With an intention, we can ask Mary to pray for it, whatever the intention be. And this is such an important topic, I feel like I wanted to share about it. And so when we get to the Rosary, we eventually get to these 3 Hail Marys when we start off the Rosary, right? Well, if you know, or maybe you don't know, the 3 Hail Marys represent things. The first represents faith. The second represents hope. And the third, love. Faith, hope, and love. Of course, referencing the St. Paul when he's preaching in the Bible about how the 3 greatest things of all are faith, hope, and love, the greatest being love. And it's traditional to have an intention set for these 3 Hail Marys. And specifically, before you pray these 3 Hail Marys, you'll say this: for an increase of faith, hope, and love. And then you'll pray those 3 Hail Marys. And so you have set your intention. What you'll pray, or what you'll meditate while praying the 3 Hail Marys, is what you have said. For an increase of faith on the first bead, and then on the second Hail Mary bead, for an increase of hope, and for the third final bead, for an increase of love. Faith, hope, and love for yourself, for others, and above all for God. And that is the traditional intention you have set for these 3 Hail Marys. Now, this is kind of just the traditional intention. However, it does go deeper than that, where you have intentions for decades. So for example, before I get to the Our Father bead, which starts the first decade, for an intention, you would announce your intention first. So let's say it's for my family. I would say, for my family. Same with the second bead, I can have a second intention for my friend. I could have a third intention, it could be for myself. Again, even though those 3 Hail Marys were pretty much for me, I could pray something like, let's say I'm starting with temptation, for strength to resist temptation. I would announce that, and then I would announce the third mystery, meditate throughout the third mystery with the intention of resisting temptation, and that is just a beauty of it. You can also pray the full Rosary, all 5 decades, with the intention of something specific. So let's say you know someone who needs prayer, you want to pray for someone, you can pray throughout the whole Rosary with the intention towards that specific person or people or thing. And so you can pray all 5 decades with an intention, or you can pray each decade with a different intention, or you can pray like 2 decades for something, 1 for just one specific thing, and then the 2 final for something totally different. I mean, you know, just you can have intentions for the Rosary, and it's just something really cool, beautiful, that I feel like needs to be pushed out there and shared with you, for you guys also to share, because it's something really important that I don't feel like enough people have brought up. But yeah, if you're into the Rosary, I mean, the Rosary is a beautiful prayer. Like, I've dealt a lot with like anxiety and depression, and with finding my faith, it has helped me so much in life to really find myself, because like I felt like I was almost in like a darkness. But when the light of God came in my life, I felt like a lamp came into my life to guide my path. And the Rosary, truly revolutionary, does this, where it is a light of God for your path in life. And if you're dealing with doubt, you can pray the Rosary and feel the comfort and strength of faith that you receive from the Rosary. While being yet such a simple prayer, you receive such greatness from it. The graces and blessings you get from the Rosary make it worth praying. And so pray your daily Rosary, pray the Rosary daily, meditating upon the mysteries, and know that you can have intentions. And just thought this was really important. I wanted to point this out. So thank you all for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe with notifications down below, and yeah, leave a comment maybe if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So peace out, guys. Love you all. Thank you for watching.